Hi everyone! In today's video, we'll show you how to easily analyze your competitors' SEO strategies without spending tons of money on SEO tools or doing tedious manual work. Let's dive right in. So first you head over to Simplescraper's URL extractor and you enter your competitor's website. In this case, I'll use Lindy.ai, which is a no-code AI agent platform, and they've built a really strong SEO strategy to stay competitive in the AI space. So I think this is a really good example. Let's go ahead and enter the URL, click Get Data, click Confirm, and within seconds, you have all the URLs ready for your analysis. As you can see, 2,344 URLs have been extracted. Well done, Lindy. However, in this case, I'm just interested in their blog content. So we've implemented a filter for you, and I'm just going to filter for blog. And now you see there have been 289 filtered results. So you could either copy this to your clipboard or download it as a text file to then feed those URLs into an AI tool of your choice, such as ChatGPT or Claude. However, before we head over to your favorite LLM, I'll highly recommend for you to check out our blog. We have a blog post called How to Analyze Competitors' SEO Strategy for free using AI. You can scroll down and we've prepared a really good prompt for you that you can just copy and then paste into your favorite LLM. This is just what I'm going to do. I'll copy this to my clipboard, head over to Claude, paste our prompt, and then upload our text file. And now I'll just let Claude do all the work for me and let it analyze the SEO strategy of Lindy. To save us some time, I've already prepared this earlier so that we can just go through it. And with the prompt, you get a very detailed analysis. I'm just going to walk you through each step and then show a little bit of examples how you could take these learnings to your own content strategy. So first of all, we get a quantitative analysis here. Second of all, pattern recognitions. Then we can also get SEO strategic analysis, so keywords, long tail keywords. Other than that, strategic insights. And last but not least, growth opportunities and content gaps, which might be really interesting for your own strategy. But let's look into further detail. So first of all, let's see the topic areas. Most of the content Lindy posts revolves around AI. No surprise here. AI for sales and how-to guides are big winners here. Surprising to me was the focus on healthcare and medical, as this has not been very clear on their website at all, and this seems to be a niche that they focus on. Furthermore, let's see the URL naming conventions. Lindy sticks to a consistent structure with a lot of how-to and what is URLs. And these types of pages are fantastic for ranking in search results because they directly address user queries. So you might want to note that one down. Other than that, let's look into the long tail keyword strategy. So on the SEO side, Lindy does well targeting long tail keywords, such as how to create a self-learning AI assistant without coding. These long tail keywords are often less competitive, but highly specific, which makes them perfect for ranking higher. Also, the search intent coverage. They have a strong focus on informational content. As you can see, this is more than 50% of their URLs, which is great for bringing in organic traffic. However, as we saw earlier, there's also growth opportunities and content gaps. For example, some gaps that you might want to fill with your own content strategy is AI implementation challenges. There's a noticeable lack of content on common AI adoption hurdles. And you could, for example, add how-to guides on overcoming AI integration issues. Other than that, the industry-specific AI applications. While healthcare, as we've seen, is covered really well, they haven't really tapped into industry like legal or finance. And you can adopt the idea of vertical specific AI use cases to help expand your own reach. So it is much more to learn from this. We just tapped into a few areas. And as you can see, this SEO analysis literally only took me 5 minutes. Try it for yourself, do it for all of your competitors. It's completely free and really as easy as it looks.